Hello everyone, how's everything? I hope you are doing well. My name is Ali and I'm a mathematics teacher. Welcome in my channel, Modern of Mathematics. Today inshallah we have here a lesson for grade 10. We need to find the volume of the similar shapes. If you have here two shapes and we need to find the volumes of two shapes or for other shapes. It will be giving you one shape as a volume and the other one we need to find it. First, let me explain for you what the meaning of the similar shapes. When you can say that the shapes they are similar for two conditions. The first one, it will be here the corresponding angles. The corresponding angles will be equal. And for example, if this angle is here, should to be same this one here, so that we can. This is the first condition. Second one here, the corresponding lengths, it will be in proportion. Corresponding lengths or the size, it will be in the proportion. So that is the two conditions for are going to see two similar shapes. For example, here if you have here two triangle, this one, if this angle there here 30, how can you prove this one they are similar? If this 30 should to be this one 30, the angles will be same. For example, if this one 50, if this one it will be also 50. Okay, if this one 100, if this one 100 also. Okay, let's see for the lenses. For the lenses, for example, if this one here 6 and if this one here 12, if this one here, like for example for here 4 and here 8, if you are going to look here for the corresponding lenses, it will be in proportion and it will be the same ratio. Here if you are going to divide 6 over 12, it will be 1 out of 2. And if you are going to divide this length by here, because this one they are corresponding 4 over 8, it will be also 1 out of 8, 1 out of 2. So that meaning these two shapes they are similar. This only is brief about the similar shapes. Let's come back here to find the volume. How to find the volume? Here you have two shapes, and it will mention in the question, in the headline of the question, you will say here the two shapes they are similar. Meaning they are similar, meaning the corresponding angles they are equal and the corresponding lengths they are in proportion. Okay, how can you find this one? There is two ways to find the volume here. The first way by using the scale factor. Okay, and first how can I solve this one? Let x, it will be the scale factor. Okay, then here ask yourself, this 5 became a 12. What you did is meaning you are going to multiply this one by number that will give you 12. How can I get this number? Like 5x equals 12. Then here find x, equal divided by 5 for both sides, 12 over 5. This one, what? This is the scale factor. Now we need to find this volume for this shape. This volume is already given. I need to find the volume for the second shape here. Okay. As we know already, for the length, it will be only x, and for the volume, for the area, that will be x to the power 2, right? And for volume, it will be a x to the power 3. Okay, and here only one side or one length, and the area to have two sides, length and width, and the volume it will be as like 3D, so that we're having three dimension, length, width and height, so that it will be power 3, because this one x times x times x, so that's x power 3, and the area x times x will be x power 2. That's good. Let's come back to our question. Here we need to find the volume, so that here is getting the scale factor at x, and we are going to work on to find the volume. So that meaning we are going to take or cube power 3 for the scale factor. Okay, before you are going to get the missing volume here, you are going first here this one multiply by itself 3 times, meaning to the power 3 the scale factor, so that here it will be 12 over 5 all power 3. Okay, or raised to power 3, so that here x power 3, it will be here this one 12 times 12 times 12 3 times, it will be 1728. Then here divide by here 125. Okay, so that if you want to find the missing volume, you are going to multiply this one, the scale factor, by the volume it's given. يعني meaning what? Meaning you are going to multiply here, meaning you are going to multiply the volume. You've already found the scale factor x to the power 3 equals what? 1728 over what? 125. Okay, يبقى multiply this one by 220 will give you the missing volume here, 1728 over here 125. After you are going to simplify, use your calculator for that, so that it will giving you 2903.04. And don't forget please the units, it will be here centimeters power 3. This is the missing volume for the second shape there. There's another way, yes, there's another way I can find the solution without using the vectors here or the scale factor. What I'm going to do, take the volume for the first shape. The first shape you can use the volume, it was 200